Morning, dear students. Okay, today we'll be studying about multiplication of the algebraic expression with the binomial. So how to multiply the binomial algebraic expression with another expression. Okay, so here you can see 4a plus 2b is the binomial expression. Another also binomial expression is there, a plus 3b is there. So in this case, for multiplying these two different binomials, what you need to do is that we need to first multiply with the one variable given here, 4a, with a plus 3b, and again plus 2b with a plus 3b. Like you can see, a will a will multiply first a plus 3b, then after plus 2b will multiply again a plus 3b. Then after simply opening the bracket, as you have done in exercise 18.5, that we have already understood and we have already studied in previous lecture video. So in 18.6 also, now we'll be simply opening this bracket by multiplying with 4a. Here you can see 4a into a becomes 4a into a and 4a into 3b. Similarly, opening this bracket by multiplying with 2b. Then after 4a into a becomes 4a square. 4 into 3b becomes 12ab, and 2b and a becomes 2ab, and then after 2b into 3b becomes 6b square, and just arranging them, and 4 square plus 14ab plus 6b square will be your answer. And we can do by the vertical arrangement also. By simply multiplying, you can see here we have placed arranged it. And what we can do, first of all, multiplying 3b with both of the number, 3b into 2b equals to 6b square, 3b into 4a equals to 12ab. Here will be gap, and again a will multiply 2b, a into 2b equals to 2ab, and a into 4a becomes 4 square. Now simply adding it, 6b square will be same, 12ab plus 2ab becomes 14ab, and 4 square will be same. Look, the answer is very similar. Let's go through the exercise. Question number 1c, you can see 2x, x plus y is there, minus y, and x plus y is there. So let's do this question. So in question number 1c, 2x, x plus y, minus y, x plus y is given in the question. So simply opening the bracket, 2x into x plus 2x into y, minus y into x, minus into minus becomes minus y into y. We can write simply dot here also. 2x, and here it is x and x, one power another power, that means 2x, 1 plus 1 2 square, plus 2xy, it will be same, minus xy, and here it will be minus y, one power another power, it will become 2. I have said that the powers will be added, right? So 1 power here is nothing means it will be 1, here also it is nothing means it will be 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, so here I have written 2. So like that you have to add the power if the variables are same, if the base are same. Then okay, 2x square will be same. Now 2xy minus xy becomes plus xy, because 2xy minus xy becomes 1xy, 1, no need to write it, minus y square will be same. This is the answer. Okay, so these questions are also very similar. Now let's do this question number 3. Okay, 3z. Let's do this 3z. So in question number 3z, we have the question given, 8y square plus 9xy minus 10x square into 8y plus 2x is given. So this is the question given. So in this context, what we can do is that the smaller the binomial expression that we have given here, no, so this will multiply this all three. Okay, let's do this. First of all, 8y will multiply 8y square plus 9xy minus 10x square. Then this plus 2x will multiply 8y square plus 9xy minus 10x square. Okay, so you can also do like this. Okay, first of all, 8y square will multiply this expression, again 9xy will multiply this, and again minus 10xy will multiply this. That also you can do, but multiplying with the binomial I find it easy, so I'm doing it in this way. And what happens now? 8y into 8y square plus 8y into 9xy minus 8y into 10x square plus 2x into 8y square plus 2x into 9xy minus 2x into 10x square, simply opening the bracket. Now after this, 8 8 are 64, and y 1 power is there, 2 power is there, that means y cube will be there, plus 8 nines are 72. X is only one time, so only x. Y is two times, so y square, minus 8 tens are 80. Y is only one time, so here since we will be writing x first, so x square will be there and y will be written same, plus 2 8s are 16 xy square, plus 2 9s are 18. X is 2 times, 1 2 times, so x square y, minus 2 10s are 20. X is 1 power, 2 power, so 3 will be there. Okay, now just arranging. Here is x y square, here also it is x y square, so let's do this. 64 y cube plus 72 x y square is there, here also plus 16 x y square, another minus 80 x square y, and here also 18 plus 18 x square y is there, minus 20 x cube is same. Now 64 y cube plus 72 plus 16 becomes 70, 80, 86, 88. 88 xy square minus 62 x square y minus 62, since here it is minus sign has the greater coefficient, so minus it will be, and minus 20 x cube will be same, so this will be your answer. And if we talk about other questions here, question number 8, question number 4, remove the brackets and simplify its written. So this also we can do it. Let's do with question number 4a. So in question number 4a, the question is given x plus 2 whole square is given. So this whole square means we can simplify it as x plus 2 and x plus 2. Yes, x plus 2 and x plus 2, 2 times it's there, no, and here it is in middle it is a multiplication sign. So now again the same process, this x will multiply this 2 will multiply this, x will multiply x plus 2, again 2 will multiply x plus 2. So here it will be x into x plus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 2 into 2. So x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So it will be x square plus 4x plus 4. So this is how your answer will be. Okay, now in question number 5, you can see that if a equals to x plus y, b equals to this, and c equals to this much value is given, so you have to find a, b. That means you have to find the put the value of a and b, and you have to simplify it. Okay, let's do this question number 5a. So in question number 5a, the value of a is given, a equals to x plus y is given, and b equals to 2x minus y plus 4 is given. All right, so this is the value given, and we have to find out a b equals to a dot b. This means the value, now putting the value x plus y into 2x minus y plus 4, this we have to do. Now again very simplification multiplication that we have to do is x will multiply this all and y will multiply this all. X 2x minus y plus 4 plus y 2x minus y plus 4. Look, it's same. Now what happens? X and 2x, and now it will multiply all. So x will multiply all, that means 2x square. Again x will multiply y, it will be xy, and x will multiply 4, that is 4x. Again y will multiply 2xy, y will multiply minus y square, y will multiply 4 plus 4y. I'm doing here directly, but you can do x into 2x like that. Okay, you can use that step also. And now arranging 2x square, and here you can see minus xy, and 2xy is there, so minus xy 2xy will be plus xy only, because the plus sign is greater. And you can see plus 4x is there, minus y square is there, and plus 4y is there. So we don't have any other like terms, so this will be your answer. Okay, in question number 6, you can see 4 identical tiles. Identical means same, okay? Similar tiles surround the shaded square. Here is the shaded square, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 identical means this all have the same area, same length, same breadth, okay? These 4 all tiles have same length and same breadth. Find the expression for the area of one tile. So you have to find the expression of one area of one tile. Here is the length given, breadth is given, so you can find out the area of one tile. Then after, find the expression for the sum of 4 tiles. Okay, let's do this question. First of all, let's understand the question. Okay, for area of the 4 tile means we have found the area of one tile in question number 1. Then after, all the identical tiles are there, that means now whatever the answer you'll be getting here will be multiplied by 4 to get the area of the 4 tiles. Let's do this question. Okay, I'm drawing here the figure. A square is there, and it is surrounded by, all right, it's like this. Oh my god, bigger area, bigger ABCD is there, then after the small square is there, and here it is like this. Okay, so like this type of figure is given, A B C D, and from here to here it is x plus 4, and from here to here it is x only. So you can see breadth and length is also given. So what you can do, given for the area of one tile, length L equals to x plus 4 is given, breadth B equals to x is given, area A equals to what? We know A equals to L into B. So x plus y into x will be there. X will multiply both. X square plus xy will be the value, right? This will be square. The unit of area is square unit. Okay, like this you can do. Then after, the question is saying this is the value of a number, and the question is saying the area of 4 tiles. Area of 4 identical tiles. Since it is saying the 4 identical means same. Area of one tile was this, 4 into area of one tile. Look, why? Because the identical tiles are there. The area is of other tiles also, it's same. So 4 into x square plus xy. Area of one tile we have found out, it is this much. So 4x square plus 4xy. Now the question is saying, C number question, find the area of square ABCD. Okay, look at this. Now the question is saying find the area of square ABCD. ABCD. So you can see the length and breadth, how it is to be calculated. You can see here, since the question is saying the identical tiles is there, that means the breadth of this tile, if you see this tile, then the breadth of this tile will be x here. And if you see the length of this tile, then this will be x plus 4, because the tile has the Every tile, this one tile, two tile, three tile, and four tile, all the four tiles have the same length and breadth. The question is saying identical, so same length and breadth. So this length will be x plus 4 and this breadth will be x only. Now if we talk about area of ABCD, then the length will be, you can see here, the length is x and x plus 4 and the breadth is x and x plus 4 only. So here area, length into breadth, area of a ABCD. What is the length then? Length is x plus 4 and breadth is also x plus 4. Why? Because this x plus 4 should be added to make the breadth. From here to here is the breadth of the ABCD and here is the length of ABCD. So we can consider that this is the square. This is not the rectangle, this is the square, as it is said square ABCD also. So we can do it, we can directly write here length, GTS, length. Okay, so now here it will be 2x plus 4 and here also it will be 2x plus 4. Now 2x will multiply 2x plus 4 and plus 4 will also multiply 2x plus 4. Now the answer will be 4x square plus 8x plus 8x plus 16. 4x square plus 16x plus 16 will be the answer. Now the question number D is saying to find the area of shaded part. Shaded part. You can see now we found out the area of ABCD square. We also find out this area of this four tiles also we have already found out. So when we do area of this square minus area of four tiles, then we'll get the value of this square, this shaded part, we will get the value. So now what we can do, area of the shaded part equals to area of square ABCD minus area of four tiles. And we have already found out the value, 4x square minus 6 plus 16x plus 16 minus 4x square plus 4xy. And always remember that we have to keep all the expression in bracket always. So 4x square plus 16x plus 16 minus will open, then minus 4x square, minus into minus, minus 4xy. Look, now arranging 4x square minus 4x square, it will be cancelled out. Now 16x is only there. 16x is only there. So 16x minus 4xy plus 16 will be your answer of the area of the shaded portion. Alright, here I have written x plus y is actually x plus 4. Okay, so x square and here it will be 4x. Again here also it will be x square plus 4x. So 4x square and 4 for the 16x will be there. This one is correct. Okay. Now if we talk about this one, then here also it will be 4x square plus 16x will be there. Okay, so let's do it again. This 4, okay, minus 4x square also it will be there and it will be 16x. Okay, so this won't be, minus 16x will be there, and then after, yeah, this minus 16 and this plus 16 will also be cancelled out and only the remaining will be 16 square unit. So this will be your answer. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Thank you.